Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna share a natural weight loss trick by utilizing a very popular spice, and that is turmeric. So this yellow-orange spice is very common in Indian cuisine, and the main active component in turmeric which gives its yellow color is curcumin. So this curcumin is responsible for its strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Recent studies indicate that turmeric may play a role in weight loss. But how? So stay tuned as I'm going to share 6 scientific reasons how turmeric, or actually curcumin, can boost your weight loss. Number 1, curcumin reduces obesity-linked inflammation. Test tube studies suggest that curcumin may suppress inflammatory markers that play a role in obesity. These markers are typically high in people who are obese or overweight. So obesity, being a pro-inflammatory condition, increases your risk of developing chronic conditions including diabetes and heart problems. So this yellow plant-based polyphenol curcumin directly interacts with the cell to reduce inflammation, and this in turn reduces your high blood pressure, high cholesterol, high blood sugar and other metabolic conditions that often accompany obesity. And this was according to a study published in European Journal of Nutrition. So overall, it's easier for the body to focus on weight loss when it doesn't have to fight inflammation. Number 2, curcumin inhibits fat tissue growth or adipogenesis. See, weight gain is the result of growth and expansion of fat tissues, and this growth requires new blood vessels or angiogenesis to carry fat molecules and oxygen. So imagine if we prevent the growth of new blood vessels in adipose tissues, obesity can be prevented. So curcumin has anti-angiogenic properties, and an early study suggested that dietary curcumin can inhibit fat tissue growth, promoting weight loss. Number 3, curcumin increases adiponectin levels. Adiponectin is a protein hormone secreted by fat cells, and it helps in the metabolism of fat and glucose. Adiponectin levels are generally low in obese people, especially people with visceral obesity. So according to a randomized controlled trial, researchers demonstrated that curcumin increases the level of adiponectin. High levels of adiponectin also reduces the risk of heart attack. Number 4, curcumin reduces leptin hormone. Now leptin is another hormone secreted by fat cells, and its primary role is to maintain weight. But unfortunately, obese individuals have higher levels of leptin due to a condition called leptin resistance. A 2019 study published in the journal Frontiers in Pharmacology found that curcumin intake resulted in a significant reduction in leptin, along with reduction in BMI, weight and waist circumference. So by reducing leptin level, curcumin is helpful in reducing body weight. Number 5, curcumin promotes browning of white fat cells. Now our body has 2 types of fat cells, white and brown. So the white fat cells are the ones that gets accumulated in our body, and too much of it causes weight gain. Whereas brown fat cells are the ones generally found in leaner individuals, and these cells burn fat and glucose into energy rather than storing it. So overall, brown fat cells reduces the chances of weight gain. So curcumin promotes the genes involved in turning white fat into brown fat. And number 6, curcumin helps in liver detoxification. Now liver plays a very important role in fat metabolism, which is important in weight loss. So turmeric helps in weight loss by improving liver health. Now the question is how to use turmeric. The best and easiest way is to use the spice in cooking for making curries, dals, lentils, vegetables, and can be added to milk and smoothies. You can also prepare turmeric tea or turmeric water with black pepper. Having said that, it's very important to note that when turmeric is consumed with black pepper, a compound called piperine increases turmeric absorption by 200%. The best curcumin supplements also contain piperine to increase its effectiveness, and most of the researchers suggest 500 to 2000 milligram of turmeric extract per day to see the results. But as always, make sure to consult your doctor or nutritionist before taking any supplement. So overall, turmeric suppresses fat tissue growth and helps to reduce inflammation. But remember, turmeric is not a miracle spice because you need to eat a healthy diet combined with exercise to lose weight, and this applies to all the spices and herbs which have been scientifically proven to help with weight loss. So that's all for today. For your reference, I have listed all the studies in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you here in the next one.